Happy whimsical Wednesday. Welcome to The Real Ray with me, Ray. I'm a professional hairstylist, cosmetologist, beautician, whatever you want to call me, that's me, but only nice things, please. Wednesdays, or whatever day of the week the video actually comes out, because sometimes it's not on Wednesdays, and whatever day of the week you decide to watch the video is not for that though. It is for fun, whimsy, whatever sort of shenanigans we feel like doing, because there's no rules. So today I have some kind of exciting news. I had someone reach out to me that sells hot glue guns on Amazon, and they wanted me to do a review in a video. So this is my very first free product. So I have not paid for it, and I haven't even used it yet. I'm gonna use it for the first time with y'all. And I thought it would be fun, because St. Patrick's Day is coming up, to make like a fun little St. Patrick's Day headband. Bought my items for my St. Patty's Day hot glue gun project at the dollar store. So it's always fun to be able to use things that are inexpensive to make holiday themed crafts with, or like really any crafts. Okay, so I haven't even like opened my Amazon Prime bag yet. So I guess we should start by doing that. Monvict full-size hot glue gun. One thing that's supposed to be different about this glue gun that I was reading is that you can remove the cord. So it's not cordless, but after you let it like heat up for a little while, if you need to move around with it without it plugged in, it will stay hot. I think that'll be really fun to test out. And I really hope I like this, because I'm gonna be super bummed out if my like first free product review is something that I have to give a bad review to. So fingers crossed that we love it. Came with these glue sticks, which is great. Our cord. Ew. This looks like a little finger protector thing. That sounds nice. I'm all the time burning myself with my hot glue gun, so maybe this will help. It feels pretty sturdy. I like that the base is connected, because I'm gonna be super honest, my other glue gun, the base comes off for whatever reason, and I definitely threw the base away when I was deep cleaning and getting my craft area situated, and was real bummed out when I realized what I had done like a couple weeks later. Anywho's, let's get started playing with this hot glue gun. To test out this Monvict glue gun, I decided I would make a Dollar Tree, dollar store craft inspired by St. Patrick's Day, since that is coming up. And so I got lots of supplies and just kind of sat in front of them while I let the hot glue gun heat up for about 25 minutes, and then came up with a plan. The reason I let the glue gun heat up for 25 minutes is because the directions told me to do so, to be able to try it without a cord. It ended up lasting for about 20 minutes uncorded, so that was really cool and actually pretty helpful. I ended up using my glue gun later to piece together a mirror that had fallen apart, so in that circumstance it was like really helpful to be able to unplug it and walk over to that little project and do it real quick. So I went with making a headband, and everything I used other than the little tiny paper clips were from the dollar store, and I'm pretty sure that they have those too. First, I started by gluing the shimmer shamrocks together so both sides would be shimmery, so it'll be cute in the front and the back of the headband. Then I glued the coins to the little miniature clips, and I did that so that it would be raised and look kind of like a crown. Then you will glue the shamrocks to the coins and then that whole little fixture to the headband. And I just kind of like move it around to see where I thought would look the best. The little finger covers came in handy here, and I did not burn myself once, so that was super exciting. After that, I put some of the flowers and like the 3D shamrocks that I got from the Dollar Tree onto the headband just by bending the wire a little bit. And then I glued it to reinforce it. And again, as I was making my way through that, I was just kind of looking to see like what angle looked best from the front and the back. So this glue gun, I think, worked really well. I'm really happy with how hot the glue gun got, and it was very easy to use and came out nice and steady. It was fun being able to use it without the cord, and the added bonus was definitely the little silicone finger covers. I definitely loved those. So yay for our first free product review being a good one. After that, I just got a couple of little pipe cleaners to add a little bit more color. And then glued the fun St. Patrick's Day, I don't even know what you would call that stuff, around the edges. The green fluff, if you will. All right, y'all, if you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do that. It helps me to grow my YouTube channel. And don't forget, I now have Amazon affiliate links, so check in the description below for glue gun link if you're interested in it, and for any other things that I may have in my YouTube videos that I've purchased from Amazon. I will only be sharing things that I love, because that's the most important thing, is that if it is recommended from me, that I truly like believe it. So, you know. Anyway, I will see your beautiful faces so soon. It's the real Ray. Bye.